Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Fisker, ticker symbol FSR. And so I had previously made a video in the after hours on November 27th following a nearly 18% drop in the stock price when it closed on that day at $1.83. Clearly, we can see that the price is notably lower than that, being approximately 15% lower, closing on the day, December 5th at $1.57. And so a couple things I want to point out. One is in that last video, I had drawn this blue downtrending line that could be serving as support. And so with that, since it's downtrending, it's not really surprising that the stock price went down. However, stock price did close below that line on multiple days, including November 30th, December 4th, and today, December 5th. However, one day, December 1st, last Friday, it did close above that line. However, again, it's not good to be seeing so many red candles, so many down days, and a new low having been formed on the 1st, which was $1.52. Also, I should note that the close on November 30th was $1.58, and so that was previously the lowest close that we had seen. However, today, December 5th, tops that with a lower close at $1.57. And so there are just a couple things that I want to point out on this that I think might be useful. One is just keeping that $1.58 in mind, which, would be good to close above that. $1.57 also key to be thinking about. And then so a couple other things. One thing that, might be of significance, might also not be, is if we draw a little downtrend here, or just a trend on the stock price here, could even include that big candle there. It's a downtrending channel, and downtrending things tend to break up. But with that being said, if it does continue in this downtrend, price could be notably lower before it breaks to the upside, so something to consider. And one other thing that I drew on the chart that might be useful is, let's see, I grayed it out, but if I make it less transparent, we can see based on this little run-up over the course of 4 days, I did a Fibonacci retracement. You can see the two levels there based on the low of October 31st and the high of November 3rd. And I just want to point out these two levels. This is 361.8% retracement and 423.6. So this is like the way extremes of a Fibonacci retracement. So I want to point out that the 423.6 is at $1.53 and 0.6. And so that is right around where the current price is. So I'm wondering if that is respected, $1.53.6, that could be a level of support for this to get back above this blue downtrending line and perhaps start making its way up to these other levels that I had highlighted in the previous video. But with that being said, we can also consider the RSI, which is well below 30 on the day at 22.10. And also note that it has been in the oversold levels below 30 since, let's see, mid-November. So it could reside in the oversold territory for a while also continuing down. So just something to be cautious of. But, with this having been beaten down so much, it is possible that, it's about to turn around, but it is also possible that it will continue lower. So something to consider, and I hope that this was a helpful follow-up from the last video, and if you enjoyed it, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks a lot for watching.